My dear friend, I am Vijay Kumar Pal, an author. This is my book, The Lost Paradise Kashmir. The book is a reflection of the cruelty of the Islam. When Hamadani, a Sufi saint, came to Kashmir, this was the black day and bad period to the Kashmir and Vedic culture and religion. Those Muslim leaders, as Farooq Abdullah, Mehbooba Mufti party, are the bloodsucker of the Hindus. It is the great joke that Islam is a peaceful religion or culture. But in spite of Islam and its doctrine is very harmful to Hindus as well as non-Muslims in this world. So this book reflects the all specialties of the Islam, which is very harmful to the Kafirs and the society. It is a very heartbreaking how the Hindu women were raped by the Islamic fundamentalist Hindu daughters, Babli ran another and cut into two halves and pieces by Yara machine, and terrorists danced around the dead bodies of Hindus. So please read this book, reflects the real face of Islam as per their Islamic doctrine. This is my book. This is my photo. This is my photo. So today we discuss about the statement of the Sayyida Falak, a stupid woman of the All India Muslim Ittihad Muslimin, which is the chairperson of this party, Ashuddin Owaisi, and his younger brother Akbaruddin Owaisi. So then I would like us to say that how this land is belong to the Allah, whereas Allah is yet to be proved that there is any Allah, and yet it has been proved that the so-called prophet was a prophet. According to the verses of the Quran, the works or the deeds of this prophet, which is known as Muhammad ibn Abdullah, means the son of Abdullah, was the gentle person, was a spiritual person, was a kind-hearted person, was a intelligent person, was a good person at all, or his personality can be the icon of any good people, good person, or the groups of the persons known as the people. So we will discuss about this. That Sayyida Falka, the woman leader of the Ashuddin Owaisi party, stated that Hindustan is not the Zagir of any body. Means Hindustan is not belong to anyone, but it has inhibits all the people. Yes, I know. Hindustan is not the Zagir or the estate of anyone. But this world is not also the Zagir or the estate of any Allah, who has yet to be proven. This is my firm belief that there is no Allah. And this Allah was created by Muhammad bin Abdullah for his vested interest, to fulfill the lust of the sexual or sensual desire and in companion lust for the wealth. This is why this Muhammad Abdullah robbed so many caravans only to fulfill the lust of the wealth, and killing so many men, and after killing them, the Muhammad and his companions were raped so many women. For instance, the Jewish tribes Banu Qurayza was robbed by this Muhammad bin Abdullah without any cause. They were not aggressive against the Muhammad. Not even the Banu Qurayza was not the aggressive. The people of any tribes were not the aggressive against the Islam and the Islamic doctrine. Muhammad always attacked on the non-Muslim caravans or the business caravans, mainly the Jewish caravans. But this Muhammad, how it can be kind? It is a matter of the questions. This Muhammad cannot be kind, because this Muhammad is totally a cruel person, a brutal person, and a harmful person to everybody throughout the world. especially for the non-Muslim, because the theology of the Islam is on the depend on the hatred against the non-Muslims. So this Allah of Muhammad was not that Allah who is the creator, because the Islamic Allah claimed that he is the creator, but certainly he is not the creator, because a creator must know that what is my creation. In many Quranic verses, it has been stated in many verses that it seems that Allah does not know nothing about the creation. And this is only hypothetical. Even the any cult god do not know or does not know that how is creation evolved through evolution or through evolution in many billion years. So Quranic Allah is not the creator of this earth, because creator, if I am an engineer and I am constructing a building or the prototype of a building, I know how and know the buildings, every aspects of buildings I must be aware. But this Allah is not aware about the creation of this world. Even this Allah does not know that is it not necessary that pair of male and female, because in annelids, that is the earthworm having the male and female organ inside the same body, and many plants having the male and female inside one body, and some animals have no male or female, but they grow throughout their cells as the amoeba, paramecium or euglena, amoeba proteus, the unicellular living organism. So this land is not belong to this Allah, because Allah is not creator, but Allah is the creator, or the Allah is not the creator, even Muhammad is the creator of this Allah, who always disrespect the woman, even the Muslim woman, and Muhammad invented a new theory for fulfill his lust and his companion's lust, known as the halala. If a man divorces to her woman, you must know that in Islam there is no right to the Muslim woman that she may divorce to her husband, because she can only request that I want to separate with you, I cannot accompany now due to some reason or the certain reasons. This is known as the khula, the request. Even though in Quranic verses Allah has empowered the man on the woman, and the woman is less intelligent than man according to this Allah. Though science has proven that Allah is a greatest liar, though Allah is not a greatest liar. Liar is so-called Prophet Muhammad bin Abdullah, who told the bunches of lies throughout his lives, as he tell a lie that he met to Allah, where there is no Allah, how he met that Allah. And he offered a namaz in the mosque Baitul Muqaddas in Jerusalem. When the Muhammad went to that journey, which is a total fallacy, there was no mosque at all. That mosque was rebuilt. That was the Solomon temple that was captured by the Usman, the third caliph, and rebuilt it by them, reconstructed. So all the land, even the Makkah, is not belong to the Allah. because Makkah was the temple for the pagans or the polytheists or the non-Muslims, and this Kaaba was managed by his grandfather Abdul Muttalib, even though his uncle Abu Talib also the maintainer of this Kaaba. But when Muhammad invented a new unguided missile known as Islam in the name of the Allah, after creating the Allah by his own desire, he desecrated the Kaaba and destroyed the 360 idols. That three most respected idols were the Allat, Al-Mannat, Al-Ujja. These are the women deities of the non-Muslims, and one Hubba, the great god of the pagans of the polytheists. But when Muhammad went to the Makkah in 630 he destructed all the idols, and even the Abu Talib, his uncle, was not a Muslim. Muhammad was the first Muslim, and his wife Khwaja bin Khalid, who was born Christian, was the first Muslim woman. So, how this land can be related with that Allah? And how this can have land related to the Muhammad? Because Muhammad had no land. This all land which was encroached by the Muslim in the name of the fallacy of the Allah, total hooliganism, Gunism. So these people who are saying that all land belong to Allah, I would like to say that there is no Allah, and you are following only the fallacy of Allah in the name of the Muhammad, who is certified a bad person throughout the world. He was the patient of the epilepsy or the mirgi, or he was mentally retarded. So these people who are following the Islam, they are brainwashed people. They are frustrated people. So they are abusing the non-Muslim in the name of the Quranic verses. Though they are saying that we want the brotherhood with the Hindus, Jews and the Christians, but your Islam does not allow it. In many Quranic verses, it has been stated that no brotherhood must be of the Muslims with the non-Muslims, because the non-Muslim are the filthy. I would like to say that this land not belong to any Allah. This land surely belong to those peaceful people who do not hate with the Muslims or non-Muslim, or on the basis of the cult. This land belongs to those people who do not state it or do not say to other people as kafir, filthy, or the devilers of the hell. So this Allah is only a fallacy, and this land not belong to any Allah. This is a misunderstanding created by Muhammad in the name of the fallacy of the Allah, because the earlier all the Bedouins or the camel herders were the innocent, illiterate and the poor people. They could not understand the hypocrisy of this Muhammad. And even though those Maulana Islamic clerics are only telling a lie that Muhammad was kind-hearted and that there was only, the Islam is totally the fallacy. The fraudulent ideology, we have no worry about the fraudulent ideology, or we have no problem with the Islamic ideology. We have problem then this fraudulent ideology is disregarding us and written the Quranic verses, the derogatory remarks against the non-Muslims. Who is the Allah who say that we are the filthy? We say that Allah is filthy. If He is a creator, He must be uniform in the behavior. There must be no discrimination in Muslims and the non-Muslims. Same while the Manusmriti is a discriminatory book, like the Quran. But Quran is most dangerous because Quran allows the killing of the non-Muslims. So this is my video to you, that this land not belong to any Allah. This land belong to the peaceful person who are doing the good act, and according to Allah, which are following the Allah or the Quran or the Muhammad, they are certified terrorists. Thank you very much.